Hi, welcome back to GreenStone&Ivy. In this video today, I want to show you how I'm going to turn this bird bath into a wedding present for a customer. The customer's bought this as a wedding present, but they want to add a few details in, wording, date, etc. on the front, maybe a few love hearts. This bird bath here we actually sell on our website, so if you're interested, I'll stick a link in the description below. Let's go and smooth the face off. So I've got all the wording marked on the stone there, just sharpened my chisels, I've got my safety specs on, I'm going to start carving. So I've got the first line carved out there. I thought to stop, have a drink, maybe talk to you about the stone we're using. So the stone we use for these bird baths is from a local quarry in Derbyshire. It's called Bretton Moor. In my personal opinion, it's the best stone for this. We use lots of different stone, but this one has just got everything. The colour of it's beautiful, it holds an edge beautiful when you're carving, it's smooth, it's tight. It's when we buy this stone, we buy it in probably half-ton pieces, three-quarter-ton pieces, split it down with plugs and feathers, and then hand work it until we've got the bird bath to send out to the customer. It really is beautiful stone. So, like I said, I'm going to have a little drink and then I'm going to crack on with the next line. I'm all finished up with this bird bath now. I'm going to get cleaned up, palletised and out to the customer. In my next video I'm going to be carving a Celtic knot into the top of a bird bath, so don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out.